Okay, guys. I have a say hi. Okay, he said hi. Hi guys, my name is Natalie, aka SMGLAMBEAUTY, and welcome to my channel. If you're new, hi, don't forget to subscribe. If you're not new, welcome back. Nice to see you. Let me stop. So for today's video, I'll be unboxing the February Boxycharm box, and I got this look right here. Well, it's not really a look, it's just like base products and stuff like that, but spoiler alert, I freaking love my box this month. So if you guys are interested on what I got this month, then just keep on watching. Okay, so for this month, they did not send the insert card. They actually emailed it to me. So I'm gonna be going off of my phone on like the description and the prices and stuff like that. So let's begin. I didn't even have to look into the box this month because, like I said earlier, they did email me what was gonna be in my box. So I know that I'm gonna have foundation and stuff like that. So I already toned and primed my face. I'm gonna go in with the Becca foundation. It's a full coverage liquid foundation featuring 24-hour water and transfer resistant wear with a breathable natural finish, and this is $44, and I did try to pick a color that best matched me. Now I suck at that, so since I did it online, I don't know how good it's gonna be, but we're going to find out. Okay guys, I just came back from wetting my beauty blender, and I just want to say that I got a new beauty blender, and it changes colors. So it's purple, and then if you hold it tight, oops, and it gets like warmth or some warmth, then it turns blue. Oh wait, I guess I'm not warm. Can you see it? It turns like blue. Hold on. Okay, it's totally failing for me. I don't know why. But it does turn blue. It's the one that color changes. That was 2 pumps. Okay. And I'm going. Uh-oh. Is this a good color? It might be a good color. So off the bat, I can see that it has like a moussey consistency, but I don't mind it. And yeah, it is full coverage. It concealed my stuff. Wow, okay, Becca. I'm not mad at it. It might be a tad bit yellow for me, but maybe with a concealer, with a bright enough concealer, it could work. I think it actually matches me really good. Let me find out. I'm good at, you know, picking foundation online. Let me stop. No, let me not play myself. But not bad. Okay, so I'm gonna do the other side. That's the foundation. Did I bring concealer up in here? Of course. Always gotta drop something. It's not a Natalie video if I don't drop one thing. Like, I'm gonna put concealer on. This foundation actually feels lightweight. Like, I don't feel like a lot is on my face. It is tacky, but I'm gonna set it with foundation. I'm gonna set it with powder. So the next thing in the box is the Ciate London Everyday Vacay Coconut Setting Powder. This sounds really interesting, and I have to hurry and apply before my under eyes crease. Cute. That's how it looks. Okay, so let me see how much this costs. Okay, so it says it is finely milled and it's a lightweight loose powder that smooths over makeup for a crease-free soft focus finish with no flashback. This costs $22. So let's see how good this is. Okay, so now I'm gonna put this under my eye. Oh, the smell just got to me and it smells so good. The smell, amazing. Amazing. If you like coconuts, oh my god. If you have the Physician Formula Butter Bronzer, it smells like that. And it's that, if you know, you know. That smells really good. Okay, I look crazy right now, but I just peed. These are the Alamar Cosmetic Complexion Brush Trio. It's a 3-piece brush set that comes with a complexion brush, bronzer brush, and brightening brush suitable for all skin types, blah, blah, blah. Okay, and this costs $36. Aren't these so cute? These are so freaking cute. All right, so I think I'm gonna use this one for powder. I'm gonna press that a little, like in my skin. Oh my god, this brush is so soft. Is it me or this powder made my skin a little like there's a cast? Or is it just me? Is there a cast on this? Let me open all the brushes. Ooh, this one is so nice. I think this is the bronzer one. And this might be like right here, or maybe highlight. I don't know. I'm gonna use this one for bronzer. Wow, I really like this brush. I'm gonna put blush on, just a little bit. So I'm gonna put my brows on, right? Yeah, because there's no brow stuff. Okay, so I'm back. My brows are done, and I put mascara on. And the second to last thing in the box is this, which I'm so happy about because back on YouTube, this highlighter was like everything. This is the Laura Geller Baked Gelato Swirl Illuminator in Gilded Honey. And I'm so excited about it. I'm gonna take this Alamar Cosmetics brush, dip it in. By the way, this cost $26. Okay, so I'm not mad at the highlighter. I think it's good. I like it, I like it. The last thing in the box is this, which is, you know, cleansing wipes, so makeup wipes. And this costs $10. I'm not gonna use this just yet. But yeah, this looks interesting. It says it's a cannabis sativa seed oil. Yeah, so I kind of want to smell it. Okay, it don't smell that great. This costs $10, and yeah, that completes this month's Boxycharm unboxing. Let's add up everything and see how much everything added up to. Okay, so it's 44 plus 36 plus 22 plus 26 plus 10. Okay guys, so I added everything up and the total came out to $138 for this month's box, and that's freaking awesome because one, I like the box, and two, I only paid $25 for this box, so it is worth it. So yeah guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and say, don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Say bye. Say bye. Bye. Say bye. No? Okay.